How to fix could not download document. Try again if the problem keeps happening. Try connecting to Wi-Fi error on your WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix could not download document. Try again issue on your WhatsApp whenever you try to download any document on your WhatsApp. So let's get started. So as the error suggests, let us check our Wi-Fi first. So head over to your Wi-Fi settings. You can go to your control panel, head over to your Wi-Fi and then reconnect to your Wi-Fi. You can go to Wi-Fi settings. If your Wi-Fi is the issue, try to disconnect and then reconnect back again. Doing that, your Wi-Fi connection will now be stable, and after you do that, head back to your settings. On your settings, scroll down till you find general, tap on general, and after you're on your general, scroll down till you find an option that says VPN and device management. Tap on it and make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. After you disconnect from any connected VPN, you can head back. And after you're back here, what you'll then need to do is you'll need to head over to your screen time settings. Tap on it. And there you will find content and privacy restrictions. Tap on it as well and make sure that you've turned on content and privacy restrictions. After doing all of that, you can head back to your WhatsApp and try to download whatever you're trying to download again. And your problem should get fixed, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more.